you're a US citizen and planning to get a PlayStation 5 for yourself, then we might have bad news for you. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech and gaming news. In a move that surprised many in the gaming community, Sony quietly dropped a major update this week, one that will hit the wallets of American gamers. The company's announced that the retail price of the PlayStation 5 console is officially going up across the US, marking the first major price adjustment for the console in the region since its release. Sony said the force behind the change is the challenging economic environment. As inflation, global manufacturing costs, and supply chain challenges continue to ripple across industries, it has made no exception for the gaming industry as well. According to the new pricing for the standard PlayStation 5, it'll now cost $550, up from $499. The PlayStation 5 Digital Edition jumps from $450 to $500, while the higher performance PS5 Pro model increases from $700 to $750. This marks a $50 increase with each model. However, what's interesting is that Sony confirmed that no changes will be made to the prices of PS5 accessories like controllers, headsets, and charging stations. The hike is limited strictly to the consoles themselves, that too only to the US market. Prices in Europe, Asia, and other regions remain unchanged, at least for now. A sigh of relief for the rest of us. But Sony isn't the only one who rose its prices. Its market competitors like Microsoft and Nintendo have also raised prices on their flagship hardware in recent months. Nintendo, for instance, increased prices on some of its Switch models by $30 to $50, and even accessories didn't escape the bump. It's affected millions of gamers, and for now, American consumers will need to pay more to join the current-gen gaming experience, while fans around the world watch closely to see if similar changes arrive in their regions. What do you think about this? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.